So now let's see if you can fix a dirty disk by formatting it. Like I say, I've tried everything else. You can check out my other video if you don't believe me. I've tried numerous, a dozen, probably as much as a dozen different things to try and clear the dirty tag that's been placed on this drive for some reason, probably because I might have been writing to it, I didn't eject it properly or something. Anyway, the dirty flag's been set and it's impossible to unset. So the last thing to try is to format it. Let's see. So make sure I click the right drive. Format. Here we go. exFAT. Quick format. And now everything on this 8 terabyte drive will be wiped if it works. Just making sure I backed everything up because it's the last thing. The last thing to try to clear the dirty flag is a format. Let's see if it works. Yeah, I know. It will erase everything. I've got no choice because I can't write to it. Format complete. That was a bit quick. Ooh. Shows is empty. I'll format it again. That was quick. L. Format complete. Let's open up the browser and see if we can write anything to it now or not. Okay, so let's go to copy the same black YouTube button and see. Yeah, so it works. Yeah. So to clear the dirty flag, what you do is you have to format it. You could waste your time trying, well, try CHECKDISK. If it works with CHECKDISK, fine, but it's probably not going to work, not with these external drives such as Western Digital. But formatting is what definitely works, because look, I've just formatted it and it's done it. I'm going to run the Western Digital live code, which it wouldn't run before because obviously it couldn't write anything to it. So I'm just going to run some quick tests to make sure it's okay. What's that? Read capacity failed. Read capacity for what? Right then, where is it? My book. Okay, let's run a quick test. Right, then it's going to take it 2 minutes to run. It should pass. Before it wouldn't run. It would basically stop after a few seconds and just say pass. Can you hear the drive spinning away? So before I commit data to it, I'm going to do a series of tests on it. This is one. Another one will be benchmark it using Crystal Disk Mark, and also use a Crystal Disk Info. There we go, Crystal Disk Info. It's showing vendor specific, not showing any bad sectors. Seek error rate. See, I've not used it for long. So I had only 155 hours it's been on and 139 counts. Throughput performance. So it's showing us good. So now that the dirty bit's cleared, it should be fine. Still doing the test. We're also going to run CHECKDISK mark on it as well. I'll run it once it's finished this test. But now I can tell it's running the test properly. Before it would just run it, you know, a few seconds, say pass, and obviously it wasn't pass. You can check out my other video for that. So here's the info. Nothing sticks out. Showing as good. Power on. Reallocation events. Current pending sector count 0. Uncorrectable. So it hasn't got any. It's not showing any errors, but I'm going to have to run a full surface scan before I commit any data to it. Is it finished it yet? It's passed. View results. Pass. So it's passed Western Digital Zone test. So now let's run a CHECKDISK mark bench press on it. Benchmark. Shouldn't take long. Just a quick test just to make sure it's working, but everything seems in order. The final test will be to run surface scan on it, for which I'm going to use third-party software so I can better visualize it. You can download these off the net. CHECKDISK mark and CHECKDISK info. Free download off the net. Where is it? Partition master. It's also free to download off the net. Yeah. So it's pretty close to how a brand new drive would perform. See, like saying it's 2.7 to 2.8. So looks like the only way to clear the dirty flag on these Western Digital external drives is to format them, which means if they're full of data you have to copy it all off. Of course I'm going to run a surface scan before I put all the data back. So far it's performing in line with expectations. So it's coming in 2.8. You get a variation because it's obviously formatted, it's completely blank, and between which USB port you get some variations there as well, I've noticed. But it's coming in line, or virtually identical to this brand new one. Okay, so the last test I'm going to do now would be to copy that movie. Copy a movie onto it. See if it plays in line with expectations. So I'll just copy over. Is it finished? Yep, there, just precisely in line with expectations. Just copy and paste the movie over. Line around on my hard drive. Nearly done. Okay, let's see if it plays. Oops. Yeah, plays. So the drive's working fine. So that's how you fix your dirty external hard drive, or internal. You basically have to format it And then you can do some tests like copying files over, running benchmarking. Quick test, the ultimate test is obviously to perform a surface scan, which I'm now doing. This is going to take at least 8 hours. It's an 8 terabyte drive. Something you've got to do before you put valuable data back onto it. And the data bit probably got set because it was writing to it when it got unplugged. I think I did accidentally pull the plug out, not from the socket, the mains plug, not the adapter into it, because I wouldn't do that. Obviously, it's by mistake, and that set the data bit, and no matter what I tried, it would not reset it. I tried everything, so don't waste your time trying to reset. I wasted a couple of days, at least 6 hours on trying to get it, or tried a myriad of stuff on it. All of it failed, and the only thing that's worked is formatting it. So save yourself some time. If you got a data bit on an external internal drive and CHECKDISK doesn't fix it straight away, then you're not going to be able to fix it. Just format it.